Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UK49 lunchtime 23 January 2023. My favorite number 05 18 16 22 37 09 and 34. 05 18 16 22 37 09 34. This prediction is for lunchtime and tea time both also. This is my WhatsApp number. If you want 3 straight number, text me. Remember one thing, text me on my WhatsApp number. I repeat once again, UK49 lunchtime 23 January 2023. My favorite number on your screen for the lunchtime and tea time also. Thank you for watching video. Like this video, subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Take care.